This is the Breast Walk on, what's the date?
October
21st, 2007.
It's a Sunday, by the way, and it's fabulous out.
It is a beautiful day.
Today.
Little windy, little windy, but it will do.
It's Chicago. What do you expect?
Kamali Patel.
What's up?
Ourselves. Okay. More as
people walking around. There's quite a few people with shirts saying in memory of. It's kind of sad, but.
And you gotta love the pink backpack.
Yeah, we got free pink backpacks, which was really cool, and a bunch of free green tea. It's kind of interesting. I haven't tasted it yet, but I'll let you know when I find out how it tastes.
You didn't get the green tea, you got the lemon.
Did I get the lemon? All I know is it's the sweet one, so I'm assuming it's like, I hope it's like lemonade, because then I'll actually drink it, versus
Iced tea.
Yeah, because I'm not a tea person in general. My daddy said I can't have tea, so therefore.
Have your leftovers. Why can't you have tea?
My daddy won't let me have tea, although I drink coffee, and that has more caffeine than tea in general, so I don't know.
Okay, more as it develops. Or not. Park first. Okay, now more as it develops.